States struggling to define the question of marriage equality have an addition to their ranks: Alabama.
U.S. District Judge struck down Alabama's ban on same-sex marriage. This after two Mobile women sued the state for failing to recognize the couple's union. Carrie Searcy and Kimberly McKean were married legally in California, have been together for 15 years, but the issue of their rights as a couple came about after Searcy's petition to adopt McKean's 9-year-old son was denied. So what does this mean for same-sex couples here in Alabama?
And will courthouses get flooded with people looking to get married this morning? Our Parrish Alleman joins us now live to discuss the details.
After U.S. District Judge Callie Grenade overturned Alabama's same-sex marriage law on Friday, a lot of judges in our state spent the weekend figuring out what they were going to do this morning when same-sex couples showed up at courthouses all across Alabama wanting a marriage license. Well, now it's going to be 14 days until judges and those same-sex couples figure out actually if they can get marriage licenses in Alabama. Here's what happened. The ruling was overturned on Friday, and like I said, this has been debated all weekend long, but yesterday evening Judge Grenade came back with a 14-day stay, saying that she wanted to give time to Attorney General Luther Strange to file an appeal and figure this all out. Now, we spoke with several people about that, including the Alabama Probate Judge Association. They said they thought this was a good idea. They didn't think all the kinks had been worked out. In fact, they were advising judges not to issue marriage licenses today. Other people, like Congresswoman Patricia Todd, says she doesn't understand why people are fighting this. She thinks this is going to happen no matter what. Here's what they had to say.
There is nothing in the judge's order that requires probate judges in Alabama to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples.
It's really ridiculous to me. It's a waste of state resources. The 11th Circuit, where this case will go to upon appeal, has already ruled on this in Florida, and it was clear that they overturned the ban as well. So why do they think that 11th Circuit's going to have a different opinion on the Alabama case? They're not.
Now, here's what's going to happen next. Judge Grenade issued that 14-day stay because she said Attorney General Strange did not give enough evidence to give a permanent stay of this appeal, but he has 14 days to make his appeal to the 11th court. If nothing happens, if either the 11th court doesn't make a decision or he doesn't file that, this will go back to being overturned on February 9th. So we have a lot to follow here over the next 14 days. We're live in Birmingham. Parrish Alleman, WIT 42 News, coverage you can count on.